So, back to our programming example, we should remember a couple of key concepts that will help us to understand how everything works later on. First of all, we can see that there are like parameters, okay? Parameters are the fancy name for the inputs that each method receives, okay? There are two types of parameters. Basically, the implicit ones and the explicit ones. Implicit and explicit, okay? So, basically, this parameter, the implicit one, is the one that calls an object, the method of an object directly. Okay, so here, the implicit one, the object would be the system, and it's implicit, that's here, this part, and this part. Okay, so all this part is implicit. Here, all this part is implicit. Which is the easy way to know it's implicit? When you find a period, a little dot, that means it's implicit. Okay, explicit ones are the ones you're telling in a hardcore way what is it. Okay, so this part over here is explicit. Okay, this part over here is explicit because most of the time they're inside the parentheses. Okay, so we can I don't know, make a brief resume about it and say that the ones that implicit implies having a period or a little dot, and explicit is the thing that goes in the middle of the parentheses. Okay? Now, a concept that we had checked like previously, but a little bit broad, now we're gonna check it like very in detail, is the return value. Okay? The return value is the result of something that the program has computed. Okay? And then you're calling it, and then you're gonna use it. For example, the length. Most of the time, whenever we call the length of something, we're going to use it for for a purpose. Maybe like transforming it into a for knowing how much characters are going to be used when we're storing something in a database. Whatever purpose it has, we're going to use it, okay? So that is a return value.